hi everyone. So I am Raymond Ryan ng Gana, and I'll be planting a kangkong, and I'm gonna document my day-to-day experience. So we're gonna start now in 3, 2, 1. Now it's time for planting. See you on the next day. So, hi everyone! So, it's day 2 of our document in kangkong planting. So, we're about to see how's my kangkong plant doing right now. So, look at this. Yeah, it's thriving. And look at that. There's a lot of flowers already thriving. Today, we're gonna water it. So let's go. So it's already done watered, and we'll see on our next day. So see ya. Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to another day in documenting our kangkong plant. So we're gonna check it now. So ano na nangyari sa kanya, and yeah, look at that, it's already thriving. Nagawa na yung mga flowers. So today, ang atong buhaton ani is we're gonna till the soil of this kangkong plant. And it's already done. And we're gonna see you on the next day. So see ya. Hi guys. So welcome back to another day and good morning. So karon tan-aw na po nato kung unsa na po yung nahitabo atong kangkong. So let's see. And look at it. It's growing now a little bit after 2 days. And today, ato siyang diligon. So, let's go. And it's already done. So we're gonna see on the next day. So bye bye. Hi guys, so good morning. It's another day of our kangkong planting. And so karon ang akong plano is akong dugangan ng mga kangkong. Hawan-hawan na siya, and yeah, ako siyang gusto dugangan kay para dagan ko yung ma-harvest in the pagka-last day. Because I have a plan and it's a surprise. So here's the kangkong that I will add to the plot, in my plot. So without further ado, let's get started. So, it's already done. Look at it. Yeah, it's already done. So, nadugangan na nato itong mga kangkong plants and we're gonna see another day sa iyang progress. So, bye muna today and see ya on the next day. Hi and good morning. So, this is the another day of our kangkong series. And yeah, so kumustahin na natin ang ating kangkong. And there it is. So, as you can see, ito na siya bulak. There's a lot of flowers. And ako na po siyang gibot nga og mga lukay. So it's fully protected because grabe jud ang kanang mga panukan diri sa lupa. And so, ang atong buhaton karon is we're gonna water it today. And again, we're gonna see on the next day see the improvements of my kangkong and see ya. Hi and good morning, and it's another day of our video of kangkong series. So karon ato na pong kumustahon kung naunsa nang atong kangkong. So let's see. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna water it again. And now, it's done. So, we're gonna see you on the next day para kumustahin na naman ang kanilang improvements because this plant will literally improve on the next day and next day. So see ya. Good morning and hi everyone. So this is the final day of my kangkong because I'm gonna mention now the surprise part of this video. What I was gonna do is I'm gonna harvest now my kangkong to prove that it already helped sustain one of our needs in our homes. So in today's day of content, I'm gonna do a mukbang. So let's harvest the kangkong. So we're done with our harvesting and here is my kangkong. So we're gonna cook this one right away. And here it is. It's already washed. So we're gonna eat it later. And here is my cooked kangkong. So I'm gonna eat now. And it's done! Sabi busog jug kay ko. So, that ends our video. So, thank you for watching. Thank you, sir, for watching. And bye-bye.